Welcome back to the channel. GX. Who'da thunk?
Click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like more content, follow social media at CodyCrafted on Instagram.
All right, this 2014 GX is ready to get de-soccer mommed. We got a whole pile of parts. Customer's a Dobinsons fan. He already had his stuff, but he needed somebody to put it on. It's kind of one of the things we do here. So we got uppers, we got rear coils, we got front struts pre-assembled, we got rear shocks, we got resis, we got diff drop, we got hardware, we got control arms, we got all the fun stuff. And then when we get done with all this, we gotta wait a couple weeks on a bumper. We got stuff to do. Let's get to work. Thanks for joining in. Alright, so front's mostly done. We're gonna mount the resi and of course, you know, do the tighten up on everything. Hang the sway bar back on. We are onto the rear. We got arms. We got a diff drop we gotta do. Shocks, coils, all that fun stuff. Oh, hey, I'm back, and I had stuff to do. Yeah. Arms and stuff. And also, tires. Tires over here. These are 275/70/18 mud terrain TAs on F Sport wheels. Gotta tell you, that's a first for me. I've never done mud terrains on F Sport wheels. Well, let me see if I can get this other side put together, and we just hit our activity for today, so that's cool. Let's try to knock this out real quick, and then I gotta go. We got scouts tonight, so I gotta do the thing. Work. All right, guys, Mr. Ryan's GX is done. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, buddy.
Absolutely. Let's get some beauties here. Love it, love it, love it. There we go. Alrighty, sir. Thank you very much.
Done.
We'll see you back for a bumper.
Yeah, we'll do phase 2 here in a month or so.
Adios. Appreciate it.